Greetings of the day. I, Chavi Gupta, welcome you all in today's session. We were doing that is agriculture or crop production and management. So we will recapitulate the chapter and then you will do some of the questions that were given to you. Now, now the word topic is agriculture. You can say that a crop production and management. Some of the points are discussed over here. Then we will again recapitulate the chapter and do some more points. Now, what is crop? When a plant of same kind is grown or cultivated on a piece of land for a longer day, for long days on a commercial scale, it is known as crop. Now, the question over here was that the student is asking, can we crop or cultivate any crop in any season? The basic answer is no, because every state has a different climatic condition, different types of soil. It is humidity, it is hot. So every place has different conditions. So we have different cropping patterns. Now, what are the two cropping patterns are your Rabi and Kharif, and the third one was your Zaid crop. Now, what are Kharif crop that are planted in the month of June and harvested in the month of October, and they require large amount of water. They are known as Kharif crop. Now, examples of Kharif crop are your rice crop, maize, cotton, groundnut, soybean. Rice crop is also known as paddy. The crops that are grown during winter season is known as your Rabi crop. And see, now sown in the month of October and November and harvested in the month of April and May. Now examples are wheat crop, gram, pea, sunflower. See, you have seasonal fruits, like in summer you get some mangoes, or in winter you get apple, and in monsoon you will get some peas. Now we have different agriculture practices. Now all this we have discussed. Now it's just a recapitulation. Now when the soil is loosened up, the nutrients get released and they properly get mixed up with all the soil, so it will provide a better yield to the crop. You can see the process of loosening and turning of soil is known as tilling or plugging. Now plugging is done by plough, hoe or cultivator. Now next is you are leveling the soil. When manure is added before plugging, it means when we plug the soil or when we till the soil, what will happen? This manure will get mixed up with the soil and provide better nourishment to the soil. Main part of the plug is called plug shaft. Now see the structure of the plug shaft. This was the beam. These are the parts of the plug shaft. Beam, which is put on the neck of the animals, basically your bull or your ox, and the plug shaft. Then you have a plug shear which is used to till the soil, and then next is your handle. Now, hoe is earlier hoe earlier is used for plugging, but now it has an iron blade, so it is used for removing weeds. Now you can see it has a pair of wheels and the base, then a blade at the corners. This is your cultivator which is attached to the tractor. Now before sowing what we need is good quality seeds. So how we will collect the good quality of seeds? That is by dipping the seeds into water. If the seeds are light in weight and they are hollow from inside, they will float on the surface of water. But if they are heavy in weight and are good quality, then they will settle at the bottom. See, it is explaining how we will classify the good quality seeds and the bad quality seeds. You can see the bucket. Now what is happening on the bucket? That some seeds are floating on the bucket on the surface of water and some are shown at the some settle at the bottom. So this shows the one which is settle at the bottom is your good quality and the one which float on the surface is your bad quality seeds. Now here we are next step is our sowing the seeds. So we have traditionally we have a funnel shaped structure. So in which we put the seeds and then it comes to the soil and then the seeds are sown. See, now modern we are using seed drills because it is effective and it uses less labor. You can heard that the sowing by a seed drill prevents labor and wastage of seeds. Now you can see on the top of the top of the brown layer that seeds are sown at a proper regular intervals. This means that the seeds are properly sown at regular intervals and there will be no competition among the nutrients. So what we have studied is that is what is plucking, what is tilling, what is leveling and what is sowing and what are the methods used for sowing the seeds. Now you will have to do some of the questions given to you. Now these are the blanks, fill in the blanks questions that you need to do. The first question is you can use this box for pick your answers. First question is paddy is grown in dash season. Second, rainy season's crops are called kharif, winter crops are called dash and summer crops are called dash. Third question, the two main crop seasons in India are dash and dash. All the questions you will answer by to me. Damaged seeds would dash on the top of the water. The plants of the same kind grown and cultivated in large quantity in the field are called dash or simply as a dash. Dash and dash are fiber crops. The next question is sugarcane and beetroot are dash. Cultivation of plants for food is called dash and rearing of animals to obtain milk, meat and eggs is called dash. Most commonly grown cereal crops are dash and maize. These are the questions that you will submit to me. That's all for today. Thank you.